Hello, welcome back. Here is the answer for exercise 2, number 2. Exercise 2, number 2. Sketch y is equal to minus 6 over x minus 2 plus 3. Right, you want the x asymptote? You just take this, x minus 2, make it equal to 0. So x is equal to 2. So that's your x asymptote. The y asymptote, we told you, if you want the y asymptote, just block off that part and you can see y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3. Now we come to step 3 or C. Draw the axes and asymptotes. So alright, and that's your y-axis or x equal to 0. This is your x-axis or y equal to 0. Right, draw the asymptotes in. So the asymptote is x is equal to 2. So there's x equal to 2. So the asymptote goes down there. The next asymptote is y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 is here. Now you can see the numerator is negative. It is negative. So you know the graph is going to be there and there. So it's not going to be there, it's not going to be here. It's going to be inside here and inside here. So clearly you can see that if it's going to be there and there, you can use 3 and you can use 4 to draw the graph here. And on this side here, you can use any of these numbers on this side. But on that side you need to use 3 and 4. Alright, so we are now ready to draw the ordered pairs. Or rather calculate the ordered pairs. We can't draw the ordered pairs. We need to calculate the ordered pairs. Right, so let's see what we're going to take. We're going to take the 3 and the 4 from there, right? So there's the 3, there's the 4. Then we can use any of these numbers. So let's say we take minus 1, 0, minus 1. 1, 0, minus 1. And right, let's see if we can manage with that for the moment. So when you put 3 into your, there's your y is equal to minus 6 over x minus 2 plus 3. You'll put in your 3 minus 6 over 3 minus 2 plus 3. Put it into your calculator and you will end up with minus 3. Similarly, when you put 4 inside here, you'll end up with 0. Right? When you put 0, you'll end up with 6. When you put 1, you will end up with 9. When you put in minus 1, you'll end up with 5. Alright? So, we just showed you one example over here. Just the working for 1 here. Similarly, you work all these ordered pairs out. Now we are ready to draw the graph. Alright, so for 3, it is minus 3, so it's down here. Alright, and so I'm just going to take those dots out, otherwise it will confuse us. For 3 and minus 3, it's here. This is 3 minus 3. And for 4 it is 0. For 4 it is 0, so it's here. So that's 4, 0. So we know the graph is going to go from here, this way, like that, and from here down this way. It will not touch here, it will not touch there. So this part is done. Now, when it's 1, it is 9. When it's 1, it is 9. So I got to go further up. 7. Sorry. 7, this is 8, this is 9, that's 10. So when it's 1, it is 9. So 1 and 9 is here. So this is 1, 9. When it is 0, it is 6. When it is 0, it is 6. That means this is the y-intercept. So we got that there, we got that there. When it's minus 1, it is 5. When it's minus 1, it is 5. So we got an idea of how the graph is going. The graph is going from here, down there, this way, up that way. Alright, so there's your graph. It is drawn, and you can have a good look at it. And now what you must remember is we've been drawing the graph, and this is called moving forward. We are moving forward when we're drawing graphs. In the next DVD, we're going to learn to move in reverse. We are going to be having the graph, and we'll be able to find the equations. Here we were given the equation, we drew the graph. Given the equation, drew the graph. So we are actually moving forward. In the next lesson, we'll have to learn to move in reverse gear. Alright, so here are the graphs, and I hope you enjoy drawing these graphs and have fun. So with that, we will say goodbye, thank you very much, and we have come to the end of this DVD.